Yeah, Andile, as you said, some Chiefs stories and a lot more as the transfer window remains open until this 21st of September as well. First one, Thabo Cele, now officially training on his own as he prepares and nears an exit at Kaizer Chiefs. Fernando Cruz has addressed those reports over the weekend that he's got enough in that position. So there's a lot of interest for Thabo Cele up north as well. So we'll see if he's able to return to playing abroad as his Chiefs' future obviously remains in limbo right now, but we do know for sure that he will be leaving the club as soon as he finds an offer. We'll stick with some news from North Africa as well. We reported on sabcsport.com that Tshegofatso Mabasa had attracted interest in Morocco, the champions of the Botola Premier League at the moment, Maghreb Fez. But Pyramids, coached by South African mentor Rulani Mokoena, also interested, but there were issues around their foreign quota. As they begin or finish off their pre-season at the moment, I'm told that their president, once he comes back, he will address that situation. They could be offloading a couple of players to try and get in Tshegofatso Mabasa as a free agent, having left Orlando Pirates as well. And there's another player that's also looking for a club at the moment. Some people saying, especially Chiefs fans, saying they would love to see him at Naturena, but that remains to be seen. That's Thapelo Maseko. I can tell you right now for sure, 100%, that he will not be returning to Cyprus, where he played the last 7 months, just before the FIFA World Cup in America, where he was one of the standout players for Bafana Bafana. The reason being, in the last couple of months, struggled to get his salary at the Cypriot club, and his camp feels if he goes back there and struggles to get his salary, that will not be the best of moves. So Mamelodi Sundowns are ready to let him go pending offers. And then the final story, just breaking news as we're about to go on air, Gift Links. AGF in Denmark rejecting offers from Belgium, from France and the MLS as well. And now Gift Links has signed a 6-year contract up until 2031. He could end up being an AGF legend given those terms. So that's the latest. And I'll be speaking to his agent this week as well, just to explain the future, what the future holds at AGF for Gift Links. That's the stories that we've got for now.